How to book Airbnb in Vietnam. Planning a trip to Vietnam, here's how to book an Airbnb safely and easily. So go to airbnb.com or the app and then type your destination like Hanoi, Hoi An, or Ho Chi Minh City. So for example, I'm going to the Ho Chi Minh City. I'll simply enter that as the location. Then go ahead and set your booking dates. And then after that, go ahead and set the number of guests that will come with you and then select search. Now in here, you'll find the list of homes that you can rent from Airbnb. So as you can see, this is the nearest Airbnb on Ho Chi Minh City. Simply click on it. So you can go ahead and use filters to filter further the amenities offered by this Airbnbs if you have specific preferences for the Airbnb. So for example, I want to rent this Airbnb or check it out. I'll simply select it and then go ahead and view the photos of this Airbnb, such as how big it is and the amenities offered by it. Now, once you have selected this, simply select reserve so you can go ahead and go for the refundable rate or the non-refundable rate, and then click on reserve, and then you'll need to enter your payment method into the section, review your reservation, and then pay for the Airbnb. And that is how to book an Airbnb in Vietnam.